What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. Now, in this one, I want to talk about XRP and the fact that people just, for some reason, don't like XRP at all. They believe it's not going to make people wealthy. They believe that XRP is not going to do anything, that it's going to stand still, and while everything else is moving, XRP will stand still for the lifetime of its existence. I can't speak today. Lifetime of its existence. I don't necessarily think that's true. While I do believe that there is a chance it could stand still for a little bit, it doesn't mean that it will stand still for the lifetime of its existence. I think it will make people very, very wealthy, and some of the doubters are going to be surprised. Even some of the people that believe in it to a certain extent are going to be surprised, because I've seen some comments that say XRP is only getting to $10. I'm calling it quits at that point, and I'm not waiting for it to get to a level of 20 or 30 or 40 or 50, right? Nobody is asking anybody to wait for it to get to 20, 50, 100, $1,000. If you want to, you can. But my mindset, my plan has never told anybody to wait until you get to certain levels. So we're going to talk about this in this video. Guys, if you could, make sure you hit this like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, @PerryHGA, you can follow me over there. Now, don't forget about my link for Margex. If you guys want to sign up for Margex, you can trade XRP at up to a 50x leverage. I made a small XRP trade recently in my last video. I actually took $170 at which it's at a 5x leverage and invested it into XRP. 41 cents is the liquidation point. I'm holding this for a very long time. I want to make sure that I see massive growth within it, and this can give me kind of my short-term outcomes as well as seeing my long-term outcomes for the ones that I'm holding over on, say, Coinbase, right? Or if you're holding somewhere else. But what you can do with Margex is you can trade XRP at a 50x leverage. You can have XRP, leverage that XRP to trade more XRP and essentially get more XRP in the end. You can also leverage XRP for any other position that's offered on the platform. And then when you gain, whatever you gain, you then receive XRP. So honestly, it's a fantastic platform. I can't speak for it enough. I say it in every video, not only because I get a kickback from, talking about Margex or getting, people to get involved with Margex or click the links and all that stuff. It's because it honestly is a fantastic platform, and I don't want people to miss out on the opportunity that it provides, because I had no other opportunity to leverage trade until I had this platform. But let me not talk your ear off about that. Feel free to check that out. The link will be at the top of the description. Let's talk about XRP as a whole. XRP currently stands at 51 cents. It's been around this range for quite some time, which we will go through once we look at all history and how it's moved for the last 7 days, a month, a year, and all history. But it's at a $28.3 billion market cap, and we're seeing about $1 billion worth of volume. Now, I know a lot of people have an issue with the next thing that I'm going to talk about, which is the circulating supply. Having 55% that's out there and having the other 45% or 44.6% that's out there ready to be kind of offered or put out there, I feel like is not great, because nobody wants dilution. But it's not a huge factor. It's not a huge issue to where XRP will be because of what XRP will be used for, right? But that's all based on your opinion and subjective. So you go ahead and look at that and gauge whether it's an impact for you and it makes sense. If it doesn't make sense, then you don't have to buy the position or hold the position at all. But if we look at the last 7 days, it's down 2%. We look at the last month, it's down by 14%. The last year, it's up by 18%. And all history, obviously, we're seeing it up 8,619%, which honestly is a lot, but it's not a crazy amount and where it should be. From this level of 58% of a penny all the way up to a level of $3, absolutely that's a huge gain, right? I would love to be a part of that during that time period. However, I wasn't, right? I became a part of it somewhere around this time period when it was around 39 cents. And then you can see lately that this has picked up. I'll actually go to Margex to show a better picture of this. If we go to XRP and we look at all history, it's going to show us a better picture of exactly where this is going. It has a trend line that's slowly increasing, but it's been hovering around this area for quite some time. From July of 2023 all the way until today, we've seen it go up to 90, all the way down to 45 or 30, back up to 50 or 70, and then back down to 40 something, and then back up to 70. And it's just been a roller coaster ride of emotions. And people are tired of this. So like, it's just not moving. Compared to Bitcoin, Bitcoin's flying. But honestly, anything compared to Bitcoin, Bitcoin is flying and the other thing is just not moving. Maybe besides Solana. Solana looks like Bitcoin in a way, and has seen a massive uptick in the overall amount of use and creation that's on the chain and all that, but that's a whole nother story. XRP is slowly increasing. You can see the incline, but as of late, it's kind of leveled out. Even though you see that incline, it's kind of broken that level. And you see that here where it broke that level and hasn't continued to create those higher highs, higher lows. So it's kind of plateaued a little bit. Now with consolidation comes a massive bull push to it, typically when you see consolidation. But the only reason we're seeing this consolidation is because of the case it's involved in. Once we get clarity, any type of clarity on where Ripple will be, then we will truly see the impact of where XRP will be. But you have to understand, XRP is already labeled as not a security, meaning that it's the only one that has legal clarity compared to everything else that's in the market to not be a security. Even though there may have been some illegal sales and legal institutional sales, that doesn't factor into the point that XRP is labeled as not a security. So whether you have the true survival of Ripple or not, XRP is still a major player in the game and will still be there as multiple billions of dollars worth of value. Now, if Ripple is completely set free in a way, and you see their payment option become implemented in many different places, now XRP has that much more light to skyrocket, right? And that's what we're looking for. So that's what I believe is going to happen eventually, and that's why I keep doubling down, not only on Margex, to where I'm investing. I have asset of XRP here and I'm buying XRP, or I have an asset over here of XRP, I'm buying Solana, or I have XRP here that I'm using as leverage and buying Ethereum, using XRP as leverage and buying Dogecoin. The point is that I'm trying to gather as much as I can of XRP in a way to see that outcome. I have 80,000 XRP right now, and I don't plan on getting any more, but it all depends on how much I gain in Margex. It may be to a point to where I just keep that and I end up having 100,000. But right now I have 80,000. I'm not buying anymore. If I gain more, then okay, but I'm not buying anymore. So if you decided to buy here at a level of 51, 52 cents, I believe, and this is just solely my opinion, so don't take it all with a grain of salt if you want to, right? I'm not a financial advisor. I've gone to school for accounting, for finance, for business. I have my MBA. Like, I've gone to school for a lot of this stuff that's surrounding these areas, not necessarily concentration in cryptocurrency at all. But I believe with the things that I've read, with the things that I've researched, that XRP will be insanely valuable and will be worth a lot more than people think. Even those people that say, oh, I believe it's going to be worth $10, it's going to be worth a lot. I think they may be surprised because it might be worth 20 or 30 or 50 or 100, or even more than that, depending on the situation and the way that it's involved. So we will see, and I can't wait to see, because again, I have 80,000 of it and I feel like we're still at the bottom right now. It's not the ultimate bottom where it started, but it is at a bottom and it hasn't fully recovered yet. So let me know what you think. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. I'm going to get out of here. Thanks again, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.